Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back with another live stream. So, basically, in this live stream, hold on, let me turn my webcam on. Yo, what's good, guys? How you doing? Well, today I'm not doing so great, but who cares? I'm doing a live stream and I'm feeling better now. Let's just say. And dude, I'm feeling so hyped about KAIJU Universe coming back, Like, sheesh. It's coming back, Oh, fudge, I forgot. Can't forget about that, can I? Alright, so basically, I mean, just so we know what this, like, update is about, let's just watch the trailer before actually playing the game. Yo, does my microphone sound wonky or? Does my microphone sound wonky or? You know what? It doesn't sound bad. I mean, the sound quality, it could be better, but who cares? Alright, let's watch the overhaul update trailer and then we'll play the game. I mean, I don't want to listen to none of this music. I turn it down, bro. I don't want to hear none of this. Alright, jeez, the volcanoes look sick. Seems that waterfall. Wait, what? Let's go! I got a follower! Yo, thanks, mate! I really appreciate it. What's up, Beamer? Is that your name? Sheesh, this trailer be going wild, bruh. This trailer be wildin'. Wait, hold on. Wait, can you heal in KAIJU Universe? Yo, that's a good feature. I'm not even gonna lie. Looks kinda different as well. Ooh, achievements. King of Seals. Ooh, we can see name tags too. Clan mode. New Oh, sheesh, that looks way better than last time. Soundtrack. Alright. Military. Nah, though. Like, I feel like everyone, including me, was wanting, like, some type of update where there might be people and stuff. Honestly, I'm happy about the military update. It's a good thing they added the military into the update. Cause, sheesh. Let me turn my volume all the way up. Oh, come on, Roblox. Come on, you gotta waste my time. You gotta waste 10 seconds of my life. Bro, I wanna be playing KAIJU Universe, allow it. Are you serious right now, bro? Alright. Okay, so, more. Go on. Oh. Click on it. Alright. So, I'm gonna go on groups. Because I've got Promotio games on here. And look, they've got the overhaul update. And it's available to play. Bro, I've been waiting for KAIJU Universe to come back. And it's finally back. Let's go. I mean, I've heard why it got shut down and everything. But I'm already in the Discord server. I don't care. Sadly, though, some of the good KAIJUs are gone, Like, I heard what happened and everything. Alright, what KAIJUs are there? Nutcracker. Bro, this guy's a son of a nutcracker. Okay. Nah, bro, these kaijus kind of suck. Man. Like, come on, I kind of want kaiju such as, like, Godzilla and stuff. I mean, I have this on level 4, so I guess I'll try it. Yeah. No, don't go back on it. Skill points. Right. Bro, it's been a long time since I played, so I have to get used to the controls. I guess I'll be... Yeah, select. Play. Ooh! We've got new places! I mean, Tokyo was already there, but like... Sheesh. We've got Pirate Island, Arctic, Atlas. Which one has the most people? It's close to Florida, you know what? Why not? I'll just go in Florida. Okay. Sunshine. Yo, calm down, I'm just... Calm down! Well, I've just joined the game, calm down, man. Come here, broski. You wanna fight? Nah, he's healing. How do I heal? Bruh. Good thing I can fly. Oh, even 1v1, huh? Come here, bro. Boy. Bro, I missed. Bro, what's with the music? I don't like it. Bro, that sounds so loud in my headphones. Now, hold on. Bro, the game is way too loud, bro. I'm wearing a headset. It's just way too loud. Bro, the rules and everything. Aren't these the ships that King Kong and Godzilla fought on? Alright, hold on. Come here, boy. Where do you think you're going? The ocean? Well, how do I disable the music? I don't like it. But I need to stop flying and actually... Oh, so this is the Arctic. Right. Heaterizer. Oh, okay. More kaijus. Come here, boy! Ah! Dang it, bro, what the heck is that? Bro, what is going on? Bro, this guy's got atomic breath. Whatever you call it. How's everything been with you? I mean, let's just say not so great, but I'm happy that Kaiju Universe is back at least. Alright. Come here! Oh, let me fight you. Oh, it's because I was boring. I'm so dumb. Come here. Too bad you can't fly. Took the wrong kaiju, boy. Ooh! What an attack! Bro, that was such a good attack. Hold on, I have slow regen. Can I do anything about my slow regen? Bro, stop attacking! You're attacking the air, bro! You're attacking gyms! What the heck are you doing? I'm going in this hole. What the fudge? Bro, it's ice. Of course it is. It's the North Pole. Actually, yeah, it's the North Pole. Yeah, I'm gonna hit you with that good move again. Woo! Get hit, Bruce. Get hit. Come here! Yeah! Come on. Come here. You scared, like. Come here, blood. Alright, you're gonna use atomic breath. You're gonna do that to me, huh? So this music is reminding me of Godzilla vs. Kong. Like, the music from Godzilla vs. Kong. I don't like music though, that's the thing. Ooh, got control lock? Yo, that's actually kinda dope. Yeah, I'm keeping it like that. Nah, I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I like the controller. I don't know, it's not really. I don't even know what's going on. No, come here, come here. We're the same species, I'm attacking you. It's an even 1v1, come on, man. Alright, fine. I'll be a bit more fair. Fight on the ground, huh? Come here, boys. Come here, boys. Come here. You scared? Yeah, look at you running. Look at you running. Yeah, you scaredy cat. Bro, you ain't no robot. You're a cat. Scaredy cat. Oh, Tokyo. Nice. Oh, nah. This is bringing back memories. Ah. Well, I remember the old KAIJU universe. Tokyo and everything. Whoa. I remember I was Godzilla over here, but nah, this is giving me memories. Such great memories. Bro, the buildings are all the same, bro. Like, bro, in the trailer I saw different buildings. Where are the different buildings? Right. Boom! Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Think you're slick, you can fly. You can fly too, bro. Come here. Sheesh. Look at that little roly-poly. Boom! Now that's the best move in my opinion. Come here, boy. Come here. Bro, I'm having so much fun with it. Oh, bro, I'm out of moves. Ah, come here. Come here, come here. Wait, hold on, he's got like those beam things. Nah, that's not good, that's not good. Where did I get that, KAIJU? Yeah, I want to try the Nutcracker. At the same time, it looks like one of those Christmas things. Christmas is haram, obvious. Now, come here. Now, come here. Come here, brother. Yeah, I was unsuccessful. My attempt. I'ma dive into the water. Sheesh, what the heck was that? Is that a Mewtwo? What is that? Nah, that ain't no Mewtwo. What is that? Oh, okay. He's starting to do damage. Okay. He's starting to do damage. Come here. Okay. 4 is my favorite. Boom! It's like that. That dust in your eyes, Steve. Oh, what? I can't taste through my eyes. Did all that dust in your mouth taste good? Did it feel good in your eyes? Did it feel good in your eyes? You like that, didn't you? You like that? Yeah, you get more. Here you go. Get more, bro. Bro, is there a way to switch off this music? Oh, hold on. Can I not reset characters? Come on. Let me leave the menu. Oh, it didn't work. Bro, go to menu. I'm not touching it. Finally. Bro. Nah, man, this music is actually so annoying. Switch it off. Yeah, I don't care about the controls. The controls are fine. Who should I be? I guess I'm DM. Carry much. Plague stance. Ooh, I wonder what that does. Tokyo. I don't want to get that son of a nutcracker. Well, this looks like a deformed male Mito, you know. Like, it actually kind of does look. What do these moves do? Kind of like the other flying dude better. Come here! Bruh. Bro, this kaiju's kind of trash. Sheesh! Ah, that was actually good. Ow. Calm down. Hey, calm down. What the heck are you doing, mate? Hey, what the fuck are you doing? Come here! Come here. I'm actually taking damage now. I mean, this guy just dope and all, but like... Bro. Come here. You're a different species, come here. 1v1, only. Ow, what the fuck? Come here, boy. Come here! Dang it. Bro. Nah, I'm losing badly. I'm retreating. Retreat. Nah, this is not good. Nah, I'm out of here. Bro, I'm taking too much damage, bro. Oh, nah, he's chasing me. Attack him. Oh, why did I attack him? That was a bad idea. Wait, I've got a last resort. Dang it. Nah, I'm dead. I'm actually dead. Should I just let him get the kill? Nah, bro. Never back down, never what? Come here! Dang it. No, why did I do that? By the way, I make streamer stuff. Can I help you out with some custom designs? It will help you to grow your account faster and look attractive. Sure. Why not? Why not? Bro, I still hear the damn music. I just turned it off. I don't know who to be, to be honest. What even is this thing? I'll be Able Cross. He looks kind of cool, you know. He can't fly, but who cares? I'll try it. Florida. Not gonna lie, this looks like Destroyer. What does number 4 do? That's good, okay. Oh, I know what number 5 does. That's Wait, I can heal! No, that's actually good. Yo, roaring helps you heal! Nah, that's actually kinda good. That's actually kinda sick. Who wants to die? Alright, where's Tokyo? Mariana Trench, I don't care about that. Actually, I don't care about that. This is Tokyo. Yo, that is scary. You can go underground? No, that is actually sick. Who wants to die? Okay. Where's the military? It's like game mode. Right, number 5. I got him good there, I got him good. Nah, bro, I'm actually gonna die. Bro, what the heck are you doing? Go away! I'm dead, I'm actually dead. What the heck is that thing? It's like a weird crab. What is this thing? Bro, what's with the music, man? Why can't I mute it? No. If I mute the game sound, like, bro, no. Yes, it mutes the music. That's good, yeah. Sheesh, this thing can fly? Bro, it looks like some weird insect. I think that's what it's supposed to be. Bro, this is kind of like a better version of the last one thing I played. Whatever, it was cool. Dang it, man, I can't aim it. What the hell, boy? Oh, dang, bro, calm down. Calm down. Sheesh. There's someone good with that move. things in this game we're able to fly. Dang, he's already dead. That didn't do anything. Calm down. Oh, heal, let me heal. Okay, calm down, bro. Brother, calm down. Alright, I'll hit you with this. Come here, boy! Bro, I completely missed him. Bro. Hit you with this. Move it. Dang it. Bro, he's actually doing damage. Let me heal. Yo, calm down! He's right on my tail. Calm down! I'm coming for you. Did I miss again? Are you serious? I need a heal. Oh, no. Bro, I'm trying to heal, bro. Allow it. Bro, stop following me, man. Let's go. Finally, I got someone with it. Alright, that was kind of smart. No, I'm nearly dead. I'm actually nearly dead. We're going. Nah, calm down. Chill. We're going to Mary. I'm dead. I'm literally dead. And now I'm under the ground with my booty sticking out. Hey, yo. Add me on Discord. I will show you some of my great stuff. I hope you will like it. I don't know what your user is on Discord. Hold on. Wait, I'll say mine in the chat. Let me just... Alright, so... Alright, Emma _0_ Burnett. Alright. Alright, I sent you a friend request. Oh fudge, let me go back on Twitch. Who do I wanna be? What is this? Have I been him? Yeah, actually I have. Not gonna lie, I kinda like Nuke Terror. He's kinda dope. I kinda like him. Cosa Sierpa. Cosa Sierpa. Land of Radiant Sun. Oh wait, Cosa Sierpa. I remember this place. Wait, no, it was called something else, like in the like it used to be called something else in KAIJU universe. I don't know why they changed the name. Yo, I kind of want to look at this volcano, you know. Get away, you knuckles muto, bro. Where am I going? I don't see any lava or anything like in the trailer. Dang it, man, that sucks. I was actually expecting something good from KAIJU universe when they came back. Bro, can I not? Bro, I can't go any higher. I can't fly any higher than that. Bro. Nah, I can't. Oh, fudge, calm down. Alright. I'm back. Nah, bro, you're dead. I nearly got him, bro. Come here. Wait, did I get him? No. Come here, boy. Come here, come here. I nearly have him. Come here. Boom, I killed him. I even heard the oof sound. What was that? A nutcracker. Let me kill these guys. Yo. Come here. Alright, you had me good there, but I got you, bro. Let's go. I absolutely wiped out the entire colony, bro. Whoa. Calm down. Calm down. Sorry. Oh, nah, this guy's kind of good. This guy's actually kind of good. Boom. Just like that. Eat smoke, bro. Eat smoke. You want the smoke? You want the smoke? I'll give you the smoke. Here. Bro, he's actually doing damage. Nah. This guy's too bad. Bro, he might kill me, bro. Oh gosh. Man, this guy, bro, I'm barely doing any damage to him. Yo, knock off neutral, help me out. Nah, bro, this guy's actually strong, bro. What do I do? Bro, I don't think this kaiju can regen. Yeah, I died. I want to be able to regen, that's the thing. Can I regen with climate? Oh, what is... I'll go to Tokyo. Alright, now I'm a knock off Nito again. Permacost or whatever you call it. Wait, does roaring heal me? Yes, it does. No, this kaiju might not actually be that bad. Like I thought it was. Come here, you little crap. Come here, Mr. Krabs. Come here, Mr. Krabs. Knock off Mr. Krabs. Ow. Okay, calm down. Hold on. Come here, boss. What even is that? What even is that? Completely missed this guy. Completely missed. Let me heal. brought back many memories. Dang, let's go! I got him. Oh, calm down. Oh, this way. I'll take this. Nah, bro. Come here, Mr. Krabs, come here. You can calm down. Come here, Mr. Krabs, let me eat you. You would make a delicious crab roll, bro. Come here. Okay, this is becoming now a battle to the death. Again, I keep missing. You did? What happened? Woo! Look, that might be the first person I've ever gotten using that move. Oh man, I almost got him there. Bruh. Okay, this guy's using water poison back. I'm really gonna die. What do you say? GG's. Oh, easy. Yeah. You think it's easy, bro? Okay, yeah, maybe it is. Okay. You know, the tea gives me more health. Not really. Oh, okay. Okay, I died. I guess he wasn't wrong. That was a pretty easy kill. Hello, sorry for bothering you. I want to offer promotion of your channel. Viewers, followers, views, chatbot, etc. The price is lower than any competitor. The quality is guaranteed to be the best. Flexible and convenient. Order management panel, chat panel, everything is in your hands. A huge number of custom settings. Go to streamers. Yeah, sorry, bro. My parents won't let me buy. These type of things, bro. I'm sorry. I know, even if it's cheap, my parents still don't let me, bro. I probably would try it out, but yeah. Honestly, I don't even know what to do in this game anymore. I'm kind of getting bored of it now. There's not much I can really do. Ooh, quests. Sky Striker, kill a flying plane. Nah, that's gonna be difficult. Updates, overhaul update. Post. I mean, this mask is getting it's kind of I'm starting to get tired of wearing it. I can't really wear it for that long anymore. It's getting irritating. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to say my mask is getting kind of irritating on my face. There's not really much I can really do now in Kaiju Universe, so peace out. Hold you all have a fabulous day. Peace out. I'll see you in the next stream, inshallah.